So, Baby Deb would like my help with her project because it's not going well. And this is really a question about opportunity cost. Have I fallen in love with the wrong idea? Should I throw the towel in and move on? Or does this has leg? Does this have the fundamentals to work? So, um, maybe the copy is too unspecific, the demo too vague. We will see. We'll see. It doesn't seem that the problem to me. But let's go about it point by point because I have 11 principles that I use to understand if a project is worth investing it or not. So, first of all, let's see what it is. Fix your goblin posture by committing code. It's funny. I think this works. GitMoving. Looks good. Get moving. It's genius. Well, the problem is not on the name or the logo. So I get it. I know what you offer. The value proposition is clear because the problem that you're trying to solve, it's developers getting stiff neck or pain. Like I say, start with pain. This is literally pain that you're trying to solve. So the problem is that we go in the flow, we stay in a horrible posture, and then we suffer. And you want to fix it, linking commits to exercises, I guess. So in 3 seconds, I kind of get it because I get what you're solving and your solution, but I'm not convinced on how you solve it because I assume it's going to send me a message, a reminder that I have to do something, but is it going to show me what to do, an exercise? Is it going to time me or no? Is it going to annoy me? So this could be clearer in that regard. But really, it's funny. You have talent, in my opinion. Let's see, price. Okay, I see problems here. Free forever. No. Okay, I see problems here, but let's go step by step because I don't think this is your main problem. Let's see. Know your ceiling means, are you in a big enough niche? Yes. Let's go fast forward. First of the class, like, are you the first in your category of doing this? Are you giving your own spin? Absolutely. Like, this is quite original. I haven't seen anything like this before. So tick, yes. The problem is that you need enough traffic, you need distribution, because we talked about this, but you had a total of 19 visits. So 19 visits, it means you don't know if this is going to convert, because the big thing when we talk about should I keep this project or kill this project, it's math, really. It's acquisition cost should be less than lifetime value, very less. Like, this is the proportion. Your acquisition cost, how much it costs you to get a client, should be less than the lifetime value of that client, paying client. So how much you're going to earn on average from that client. So the problem is clearly that you don't know this yet. And you don't know this yet because you didn't build distribution. In my projects, I always build distribution in. I can show you, like, for instance, this one, the distribution built in is SEO. So this is all organic. This is Search Console. So it's all organic search. In the last 3 months, we have 7.5 million impressions, which is good for branding too. A lot of clicks. and this is the other website, which is going even better. So this is super important. Of course, this is not from day one. It took years to get here, but you need to build it in from the beginning if you want to get to this level at some point. So distribution is the problem here, and it's quite common. You've been engaging with the community, but it's not going well enough. So we need to think outside of the box. And another thing that comes to mind, it's that simpler, it's better than better. Like better is an enemy to good. And I see you have the tendency of making things more complicated than they need to be, like all of this. I get it's like a couple of prompts today to do this, but it's still something you need to do. You need to fix it if there are bugs. So you probably have the tendency of going for better instead of simpler, which begs the question, is this the simplest way to solve this problem? You know, I have this problem and I solve it in another way that works for me. Like I use playlists that are very common and successful on YouTube. Look, this is literally my first choice. It's a YouTube channel that is going very well. There's already gaining money. It's already monetized for sure. Probably a couple $1,000 MRR, something like that. And the videos they use the Pomodoro technique. So it's like a session of 50 minutes of working, studying, whatever, and then a 10 minutes break. And the break here is just a break. But you could put the exercises here. You know, the first ones should be for the neck, the posture, you know, the usual ones. I have to do them. So a reminder, so I don't have to think about what exercises to do because it's going to tell me. You could try this. How hard would it be to create a few videos like this one? You also have an in the niche, because instead of selling your product, you'd be asking developers, what music do you listen to while you work? Me, I like lo-fi without any words, but you can ask them. You can go on Reddit, you can Twitter, X, whatever, and ask them, prepare 1, 2, 3 videos like this with the exercises. I've seen a video of Mark Liu where he exercises in front of a video. So the exercises are in front of him. That's common. And this could be also monetized because this, look, the niche is study with me, or something like that. Okay. And there are so many. Look, 8.3 million views 6 months ago, 1 million 1 year ago. Sean Study, it's another one that I use, and it's going well. Let's see. Yeah, they're definitely monetized. So, you know, instead of building just distribution, you're building a revenue stream. And then if it starts going well, you have the attention, you have the eyeballs and ears of developers, like a lot of developers watching your videos because it's this, but specifically for developers, for all people that need exercises for posture, neck, etc. And so it's trivial to advertise your other solutions for them. Yeah, I think that's it. This is what I would do if I were you. Really. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And next up, look, there's because I'll pick 3 projects. This is the first one. Next up, there's a real life AI scientist that asked for my help with his idea. I just looked at it a little bit, but not too much because I want to react to it. This is going to be next. And then a fellow builder, he's very active in our community, Yannick Ferrir, is like French, I don't know, with his cool idea, Grow app. So if you like this format and you want a honest, constructive feedback like this, stay tuned. I'll try to be helpful. See you.